Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Range Rover D300. This vehicle comes with a 3-litre diesel engine pushing out 300 bhp, delivered through a smooth automatic transmission and down to all 4 wheels thanks to its 4-wheel drive system. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Eiger Grey. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also comes with a set of front parking sensors and gets some of its sleek looks from the black exterior pack, which includes black front grills and the lower portion of the front bumper. The Range Rover sits on a set of 22-inch alloy wheels coming in a 9 split spoke design, finished in a gloss black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a powered tailgate, some Range Rover badging across the rear, along with a rear view reversing camera paired with a set of rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Once the powered tailgate is open, we'll take a look into the boot space of the vehicle. The vehicle also comes with a split tailgate function, both with an electric power feature. In the back, plenty of storage space as well as some controls over on the right hand side to lower the suspension. In the back of the vehicle we'll find a comfortable 3-seater passenger bench with an optional armrest in the middle. Centre of the footwell will also find some rear heater controls and some charging points. All the seats in the vehicle come in the perforated Windsor Leather Upholstery in an ivory colour. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 10-inch touchscreen system. This system comes with navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle. Beneath this there's a lower touchscreen for the climate controls as well as the heated seat options. Throughout the centre console we'll find a handsome gear selector as well as some of the off-road settings. The driver also has access to a leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel with a heated option along with a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Range Rover D300. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.